name is I am a third-year student doing a BSc in Human Life Sciences, and I really enjoyed today's alumni seminar. It really taught me a lot, and it really made me want to grow my interest and skills outside of my degree, outside of my science degree, being able to communicate and build networks. And they also spoke about entrepreneurship, and I really learned a lot on how to improve my CV, what exactly companies are looking for, and I really appreciated that because it helped really ease my nerves and calm myself in this very stressful time of my life.
Hi, my name is Brenda Matebula, a final year student of BA Humanities, and today's seminar was really nice. I learned how to perfect my writing skills when it comes to CV and just a general insight in the corporate world, and I really enjoyed listening or having CEOs who were doing the roundtable, and yeah, that was really informative, and I'd like to attend more of those going forward.